Hello students, this is your teacher Padma. Today we will be solving one practical question by which you will be able to understand journal entries. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Mr. Chatterjee. As you can see in the question, at different dates, different transactions have taken place, and in the amount column you can see different amounts. So let's start with our journal entries. On January 1st, 2050, business was started with cash. According to the rules, an increase in the asset should be debited and increase in capital should be credited. So the entry is cash account debit to capital account. And in the narration, you will write being the capital invested in business. On January 2nd, purchased goods for cash. The entry is purchase account debit to cash account. And the narration will be being goods purchased for cash. On January 4th, purchased furniture for cash. Here, cash balance is reduced and another asset is created. So the entry is furniture account debit to cash account. And the narration will be being furniture purchased for cash. On January 6th, paid rent to landlord. Over here, the cash balance has reduced and expense is incurred. So the entry is rent account debit to cash account, and the narration will be being rent paid in cash. On January 7th, sold goods for cash. This transaction increases cash and reduces stock of good. The entry is cash account debit to sales account, and the narration will be being goods sold on cash. January 8, paid carriage. Cash balance has reduced and expense is incurred. So the entry is carriage account debit to cash account, and the narration will be being carriage paid in cash. January 11, paid advertisement. Here also, applying the same reason, the entry is advertising expense account debit to cash account, and the narration will be being advertisement expense paid in cash. January 15, sold goods to Ram on credit. The stock of goods is reduced and Ram owes rupees 15,000 to the firm. The entry is Ram debit to sales account, and the narration will be being goods sold to Ram on credit. January 18, purchased stationery. Cash balance has decreased and expense is incurred. The entry is stationery account debit to cash. January 22nd, goods returned by Ram. The entry is return inward account debit to Ram. January 25th, received cash from Ram in full settlement. The amount of cash is increased. So the entry is cash account debit to Ram. January 31st, paid salaries to staff. Here, the cash balance has reduced and expense is incurred. So the entry is salary account debit to cash account. I hope you have understood journal entries. In the next video, we will be doing ledger.